guys, and welcome back. So we are going to be filling in the rest of what I have empty on this memory spread for the week of July 7th through the 13th. This kit was from Glam Planner, and the foil bundle I got was a build your own bundle from Plannahannah in gold, and I also got seafoam solid underlays. I have my custom multi here, and this is in the seafoam color. So let's just jump right on in to it. I'm going to zoom you guys in. I've already went and laid stuff down. If my voice sounds funny, it's because I am getting over being sick. So here we go. So on Monday, I got to sleep in. I made some coffee, and then I had cleaned out my fridge, had some TV time. I don't remember what I was reading, but I did relax that evening. On Tuesday, I had my coffee in the morning. I pulled some stickers. I mowed the lawn. I read. I did also do some laundry, and where is it? I guess I don't have it. Okay, I'm missing some stuff. That's all right. And we just had a relaxing evening at home. On Wednesday, I slept in, had some coffee, I napped, I mowed my backyard, we had family cuddles, and I finished the evening by reading. Thursday, I didn't sleep very well, but I got up and made my coffee, had some cuddles, did some TV time, and I read. Friday, I cuddled with my daughter. I had coffee, TV time. I mowed the lawn again because it was going to come in rain, and we live in an HOA. So I did the front and the back, and I read. Saturday, I slept in, had some coffee in the morning. My daughter played on the computer with ABC Mouse, and we went to a local winery. I read, and we had date night, in which we went out to dinner. Sunday, we slept in, obviously, had coffee, we folded some laundry, we had some TV time, and I read. So that is that. That was quick and to the point. They are not all going to be like this. So, sorry that it was so short, but it's here, and you get a little sneaky peek of the following week. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.